Hey friends, I want to show you guys a new piece of workout gear we just got. This is the Run Max weighted vest. It's perfect for a few things we've been doing lately, like rucking, hiking. We just wanted to add a little bit of weight so that the workout is a little bit more intense. Now this is perfect for actually even just walking around the neighborhoods. We love to give the dogs a daily walk, and this makes that walk feel more like a workout. Now as you can see, there's two specific areas where the weight is located, right here on your chest area and then up on your back. It actually feels pretty good. I got the full 40 pounds on right now, and the weight is distributed nicely so it doesn't feel like it's heavy and weighted down on one specific area of your body. Now, again, 40 pounds, I am feeling it in my shoulders quite a bit, so don't expect this to be super light, but it is fairly comfortable. Now, taking a closer look at the actual vest itself, we got this big flap that opens up, and we've got our little belt that straps across the front here. And then each of these pouches holds its own individual sandbag. And so again, there's what feels like sand inside of here. And each of these weighs roughly 4 pounds. So you can see there's 5 pouches here in the front, 5 pouches in the back, and each of those holds these little 4-pound sacks of sand. So again, it's really nice and easy to adjust. You can just take these in and out and basically get to that level that you really like, and you're ready to go. When you're ready to step up that weight, again, you can throw more sandbags in. But again, that 40 pounds, it feels pretty darn good. This thing is really gonna make you feel it if you're working out, hiking, rucking in it. So there you go, friends. That's the Run Max weighted vest. Again, a good little budget option for those that are looking to make their walks, their hikes, a little bit more of a workout with that added weight. If this has helped, definitely give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned. We got a bunch more of these little product review videos that we like to do to help make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.